Students, today we will learn about division of fractions and its properties from chapter 4 fractions. Before going to discuss about the division of fraction, first let us come to know about multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of a fraction. Multiplicative inverse is already discussed in the previous video, though I will tell one more time. Suppose we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7, then we should multiply this fraction with another fraction so that the result become 1. So, what should we multiply? 7 by 2, because 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, cut down, 7 1 is 7 1 is, we get the result 1. So, we can say that 7 by 2 is multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7, or conversely you can say that 2 by 7 is multiplicative inverse of 7 by 2 also. Now, what is reciprocal? This multiplicative inverse is also called the reciprocal of the fraction. So, we can say 7 by 2 is a reciprocal of 2 by 7. Moreover, 2 by 7 is reciprocal of 7 by 2. We can also say that 2 by 7 is reciprocal of 7 by 2. Also, 7 by 2 is reciprocal of 2 by 7. That means just we have to reverse the fraction between their numerator and denominator. See it here, 2 by 7 was the suppose 2 by 7 by 2 is the fraction, then what is the reciprocal? Just 2 by 7 reversed. If 7 by 2 is the number, then just reverse it, you get the reciprocal 2 by 7 in this way. So, if we tell that what is the reciprocal of 5, what should be? 5 is the number, denominator is here 1, just reverse it, 1 by 5, reciprocal become 1 by 5. Okay. So, in this way we can find the reciprocal of any number. Now, let us come to the division. Suppose we have to divide this one 9 by 10 by 3. We have to divide by 3. So, we can write 9 by 10 divided by 3. Let us write the first fraction as it is, 9 by 10. Now, we can change this division problem into a multiplication problem, just taking the reciprocal of the second one. 3 is the number. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Now, simplify and find the result. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So, we get the result 3 by 10. This becomes the answer. Suppose we have to divide number 2, I am taking 18 by 29 divided by 6. Then we can write this 18 by 29 as it is, change it into multiplication, taking the reciprocal of 6, 1 by 6. Now, 6 and 18 can be divided by 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. So, the result become 3 by 3 1 is 3, 29 into 1, 29. This complete. Now, suppose we have to divide 15 divided by 5 by 7. Okay. Here first number is 15, it remains 15, no change. Only we will change for the second fraction as we change it into multiplication sign, we'll take the reciprocal of 5 by 7, that is 7 by 5. Yes, you can take the denominator for 15 as 1. Now you can simplify. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So we get 3 multiply 7, 21 by 1, that is 21 is the answer. Okay. Similar type of problem, let us take that suppose we have to divide 3 whole 1 by 2 by 7. So we can write this. Let us first change the mixed fraction into improper. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, and we can also change the division into multiplication, taking the reciprocal of 7, 1 by 7. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, we get half answer. Let us take this one, 63 divided by 5 whole 2 by 3. Now 63 remains as it is, the first number. We can take the denominator only 1. Now put the division number first, division sign first, because we have to convert first it into improper fraction. Let us convert it. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. Now 63 by 1 remains same. Change the division sign into multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of this one. The reciprocal is 3 by 17. Now simplification is not possible here. We will just multiply. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, 189, and by 17 into 1, 17. We can convert it into mixed fraction. 17 1 is 17, 1 and 9. Again 17 1 is 17, 1 is the remainder, sorry, 2 is the remainder. 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 is the remainder. So we get 11 whole 2 by 17 as our answer. Okay. Now suppose we have to divide a fractional number with a fractional number. For example, 75 by 88 is divided by 5 by 11. So the rule is same, first fraction remains same, 75 by 88 as it is. Change the division sign into multiplication, taking the reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal of 5 by 11 is 11 by 5. Now you can simplify it. 5 1 is 5, 5 15 is 75. 11 and 88 can be divisible by 11. 11 8 is 88, 11 1 is 11. So now it is 15 into 1, that is 15 by 8 into 1, 8. Convert it into mixed fraction. 8 1 is 8. Subtracting we get 7. So the answer become 1 whole 7 by 8. Okay. Suppose we have to divide this one, 5 whole 1 by 7 divided by 2 whole 1 by 4. Then in both case the numbers fractions are mixed fraction. Convert it to improper fraction first. 5 7 is 35 plus 1, 36 by 7. Keep the division sign as it is. Now change the mixed fraction into improper. 4 2 is 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Now we proceed as in done 6 number. 36 by 7, okay. Convert the division sign into multiply sign, taking the reciprocal of this one, 4 by 9. Now 9 and 36 can be divisible by 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 4 is 36. Multiply the numerators, 4 multiply 4, 16 by 7. So 16 by 7, take its convert it into mixed fraction. 7 2 is 14, 2 is the remainder, so 2 whole 2 by 7 is the answer. Okay. Let us take another example, 11 number. Here is suppose the fraction 13 by 52 divided by 2 whole this one, 2 whole 1 by 13. Now first fractions remain same as it is. Divided sign keep it same, change the mixed fraction into improper. Here is 13 2 is 26 plus 1 27 by 13. Okay, convert it into converted already in mixed fraction to improper. Now 13 by 52 multiply, change it to its reciprocal, 13 by 27. Now see it here, 13 and 52 is divisible, 13 1 is 13, 13 4 is 52. Multiplying we get 13 by 27 into 4, 4 7 is 28, 2 4 2 is 8 plus 2 10, 108. This becomes the answer. Okay, so in this way we can divide between fractional numbers. Now we will come to the properties of division. For properties of division, let us discuss the division properties from here. Properties of divisions are here. Number 1, when a fraction is divided by 1, the quotient is the fraction itself. Suppose I am dividing 7 by 8 by 1, we get 7 by 8 again. When 0 is divided by a fraction, the quotient is 0. Example, 0 is divided by 1/3, result 0. 0 divided 1/4, result is 0. But no fraction can be divided by 0. Example, 1 by 4 divided by 0, not possible. Because dividing a number or a fraction by 0 is not defined, it is not possible. Okay. Number 3, if a fraction is divided by the same fraction, the result is 1. Suppose we are dividing 7 by 8 with the same fraction 7 by 8. Then what will be the result? Let us convert it into multiplication. 7 by 8 multiply 8 by 7. So calculating we get 1. So always a number, a fraction, if it is divided by itself, the same fraction, we will get 1. Number 4 property, there is no multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 0. 0 has no multiplicative inverse or any reciprocal of 0. 0 has no reciprocal. Okay. Now coming to some applications of these properties. Fill in the blanks. Number A, 5 by 11 divided by 5 by 11. Without dividing or calculating, we can write the answer. What will be the answer? Write it in the box. The same fraction is divided by the same fraction, so the result will be 1. 6 by 17 divided by 0. What should be the answer? Here is a fraction is divided by 0, which is not possible. Not possible. No value you will get from here. So this will be not possible. Number C, 0 divided 6 whole 1 by 3, what should be the answer? 0 is divided by any fraction, result will be 0. Just applying the property we can write the answers. Number D, 8 whole 3 by 11 divided by what number, so that we get again 8 whole 3 by 11. So what number, by what number we can divide 8 whole 3 by 11, so that the result will be again the same fraction. It is the property of 1 by 1 it should be divided. Okay. So in this way we can apply these properties of division in many ways. So this was the total topics for today. What we have discussed about division process, different types of division, and the properties of division and its applications. Next day or next video I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.